Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Good evening. This is MD Baijid Khan. I'm a student. I'm studying Qawmi Madrasa, Department of Siratul Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Today I will tell in front of you about my tomorrow routine. First of all, I will get up from my bed in the early morning, and then I will go to the washroom for ablution of Fajr Salat, and then I will go to the mosque for Fajr Salat. After Fajr Salat, I will return in my home, and then I will go to the reading table. After some time, I will eat my breakfast. After breakfast, I will go to my madrasa, and then I will return from my madrasa in my room, and then I will take a rest sometime, and then again I will go to the washroom for bath. After bath, I will say to my Zuhur Salat. After Zuhur Salat, I will eat my lunch. After lunch, I will go to the stadium for play with my friend circle, and then I will return from the stadium in my home, and then I will take a rest sometime, and then I will take a preparation for Asr Salat. After Asr Salat, I will go to the field for walk, and then I will walk, and then I will walk sometime, and then I will return from the field in my home, and then I will take a preparation of Maghrib Salat. After Maghrib Salat, I will read the Holy Quran and Siratul Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and another Islamic book, and then I will take a preparation of Asr Salat. After Asr Salat, I will eat my dinner. After dinner, I will scroll my phone, and then I will go to my bed for sleep. That's all about my tomorrow routine. Do you have any question about my tomorrow routine?